Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to edit or modify the HSN code while creating a sales bill in Logic ERP. So let's get started by generating a sales bill. As observed in the item search list, the HSN code of the selected item is displayed as 62. To edit the HSN code, press F4 on the selected item. After that, the Harmonious search list window will open. Let's modify the HSN code. The modification has been successfully applied. Let's also verify the modification of the respective item's HSN code in the Setup Item Multiple Pack Sizes. As you can see, the HSN code has been successfully updated for the respective item. Logic ERP also provides a feature to allocate HSN codes to multiple items simultaneously. To do this, go to the Allocate Items to Harmonious Codes Descriptions window. Here, you can allocate HSN codes to items either manually or by using an Excel sheet. Let's take a look at both methods. Let's start with the manual allocation process. Select the item for which you wish to modify the HSN code. Then click Refresh and choose Overwrite Existing. Next, select HSN serial number. Press F2 and select the HSN code you wish to allocate to the items. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm the allocation of the HSN code to all items. Click Yes if you want the code applied universally. The HSN code has been successfully updated. Let's have a glimpse of another method of allocating HSN to items through Excel. Firstly, we will check the HSN code of the item we are going to modify. Here you can observe the HSN code is 610462. Let's retrieve the updated HSN code from Excel sheet. Click on Retrieve from Excel. Select Overwrite Existing. Under the Excel Help option, you can check which columns are required in the sheet. Using the same format, we created an Excel file with the updated HSN code. Now, browse and upload the file, then click Refresh. The HSN code field will now show the updated value. Finally, save the data. Let's verify the updated HSN code for the respective item. The items are successfully allocated with the new HSN code.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.